Boyle's law is also derived from the ideal gas law for the special case where the temperature is constant and the number of moles of gas is also constant. So therefore the pressure by the volume of the gas is constant and the pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. So graphically this is a hyperbola and we call this an isotherm. So for example, if we apply a heat source, to ensure the temperature of the gas is held constant, and we move this piston upwards, so therefore as the volume of the gas increases, the pressure of the gas decreases, because the particles bump into each other and the walls of the container less often. And conversely, if we push the piston downwards, thereby reducing the volume, the pressure of the gas increases.